Good morning, madam. Madam,
Again,
आज
sir.
Good morning,
विप्लव
sir.
Good morning, sir.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
मैडम आज विप्लव सर ଆସିବେ କି?
ନା ସାର୍ ସେ ଆଜି ଆସିବେ ନା କଣ ଆଜି କାମ ଅଛି ନମିତା ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଆଉ ମୁଁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ନା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ତାଙ୍କର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟଟା ଆଜି ସେମାନେ କରିବେ ଆଜି
ସେମାନେ
ବୁଝିଲେ କି?
କରିବେ ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ସେମାନେ କରିବେ ଯଦି କିଛି ଡାଉଟ୍ସ ହେଲା ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ସେୟାର କରିବେ ଆଉ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତାହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କୋଡ୍ ଦେଇକି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଁ କହିଦଉଛି ହଁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
Okay, today we'll conduct your first experiment. Okay, so write down what is the experiment to implement Eco client server using TCP/IP. Okay, write down in your copy to implement Eco client server using TCP/IP. Okay, so to implement a Eco client server using TCP/IP. Okay. So the objective of this code is you have to establish a connection between your client and server. Okay, and whenever client send any message to server, the exactly same message also sent by the server. Okay, to the client. Okay, that is the objective of the program to implement one eco. Okay, to implement a eco client server using TCP/IP. So all of you, as this is your first experiment, so I have already in the last class. Okay, so whether this PPT is visible or not, please check. So this PPT is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as we discuss for your client server communication for this eco application. So already we have discussed in the last class. Okay, so these are the steps you have to follow, and the same steps also included in your code. Okay, so if you can check, so please all of you check your group mail ID. So I have already sent the code for this first experiment. Okay, so and today you have to implement and know how to implement all this. And in next class, okay, for other experiment, you have to write your own code based on the by referring the same code. So in case of your uh, client server eco code, so these are the steps associated with your server part. So they just start declare the variables for the socket. Okay, so define the family. Already you have discussed in the last class. Specify the family protocol, IP address, and port number. And for each steps, okay, some functions associated with your main program. So create a socket using socket function, then bind, then listen and accept, then read okay the client message, then display or reply the client message, okay, then close the socket, then stop. Okay, so these are the steps associated with your server, and these are the steps associated with your client. Start declare the variables for the sockets, then specify the family protocol and IP address and port number. Then you have to bind, okay, bind this socket with this address and port number. Create a socket using socket function, then call the connect function to connect with the server, then read the input message. That means whatever you have to enter, okay, or that is your input message, and simply read the input message from your keyboard or like this. Then send the input message to the server. Okay, then display the server echo. Okay, so whatever may be the output, okay, simply display it, then close the socket and stop. Okay, so these are the steps associated with your client side. So I have already sent. Okay, there are two code associated with it. Now the first code associated with your server, and the second one associated with your client. Okay, the first one is for your server, and second one is associated with your, so you can check. So there are two codes. Okay, you can check in your mailbox. I have already sent. So this is the code for your server part. Okay, and the second one is the code for your this one is the code for your client part. Okay, so in your Linux platform, so first you have to open two terminals. Okay, you have to open two terminals. The first terminal for your server end. Okay, so for server we use the first terminal, and for the second terminal you have to use for your client. Okay, and you have to establish a connection between your server and client. Okay, and this you must have know how to open this terminal in your Linux platform. So first you have to open two terminals, and you have to upload this two code, the first code for your server, and you have to upload the second, that is your for client. Then you have to execute. Okay, then you have to execute these two code. So if you execute this server code, okay, in your terminal one, and then you have to execute the client code in your terminal 2. Okay, so the always remember, first you have to execute the server code. Okay, first you have to execute the server code in your terminal 1, then you have to execute the client code in your terminal 2. Okay, so after that you can establish a connection. Okay, so once server is ready, okay, so you can establish a connection. That's why always you have to execute the server code, okay, in your terminal 1, and the next code in your terminal 2. Okay, after the connection are established, okay, so you can send the message or anything from your as a input from your client end, and you can check what is the output, okay, in the client end from the server end. Okay, right? So, so all of you, please check your group mail ID. So whether this code is available with you or not, please check. So all of you check whether this code is available in your mailbox. Why you are silent? Because today you have to show the output of this code. Okay, otherwise simply I will put absent. In your mailbox, in your group mail ID, please check whether the code is available or not.
Yes, sir, available.
Okay, so download it. Also, you can implement the same if you do not have this Linux in your system. Okay, you can also implement the same using your one online platform. So you can write, that is cocalc.com. Okay, so you can implement the same in cocalc.com. Okay, so all of you listen. So I am showing the demo. Okay, how to implement this code. Suppose I do not have this Linux platform in my system, so I am using this cocalc.com. So how you implement this one? Simply listen. So if you implement in your cocalc.com, okay, so this is the process. So in this case, first you have to create a, suppose a new project. Create a new project. Whether the screen is visible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So check your section A. Okay, section A. Suppose experiment 1. Okay, so experiment 1. So first you have to create the new project. Wait. So the same process also you can follow in your Linux platform. I think must have installed this Linux in your system. So then you have to upload the files. Okay, upload the files. Upload the files. So that is one code for your server and the second one for your client. Okay. So in this case, so first you have to, if you are using this cocalc.com, so first you have to save these two code in .c format. So then you have to upload. Okay, simply listen what are the different steps. Okay, so first you have to upload your C files. Okay, then you have to open two terminals. Okay, so then you have to open uh, two terminals here. The first terminal let for your server. Okay, the first terminal let for your server. First your terminal for your server. So first create this one. Okay, then you have to open another terminal for your client. Okay, then you have to client. Okay, so now you have to so once you
Sir,
have opened this yes,
sir, you are doing
uh,
something.
yes,
Yes,
I'm
you
doing
are doing
something.
something. Nothing is visible.
Not simply remember the steps. Okay, I'm doing something means I'm showing how to implement this code in your system. Okay, right.
So if you are showing something, then nothing is visible, sir.
Nothing is what is visible to you actually. The screen
So
is visible.
the start, declare variable, and for the
Uh,
software that steps algorithm, sir.
Not that is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. Now it is visible.
No, sir,
Yes.
it's not.
No, sir.
Now it is visible.
No, sir.
Please check now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now visible.
Now visible though. So simply remember, so if you are using this online platform, okay, or by the same way you can also implement in your system, okay, using your Linux platform. First you have to open two terminals, okay. First you have to open two terminals. Let the first terminal is for your server and the second terminal is for your suppose client, okay. So first one is for your server and the second one is for your client, okay. So I will open these two terminals. Simply files here new, okay. So you can check here. Simply rename it. Suppose terminal 3, okay. So in this you can check, okay. First you have to open. Let the terminal. Suppose this is for your server terminal, okay. Server terminal. So first you have to execute or compile this one, okay. Compile this one so that you can to generate two executable file, one for your server and another for your client, okay. So I'm just implement that is if you gcc the same way, that is -o, okay. So here suppose give your that is your server, okay. Serve dot suppose e, okay, that is your executable file. Then your main program, okay. So main program that is your server dot c, okay, dot c. So you can check it is there is no error. Some warning are there, as I think some header files are absent, okay. That's why it shows some warning, okay. Then you have to then dot minus, that is you have to run your executable file, that is dot e. So now your
Sir, not audible.
Sir, you are lagging, sir.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭଏସ୍ କଟି ଯାଉଛି ସାର୍। ସାର୍ ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭଏସ୍ କଟି ଯାଉଛି।
ଏବେ ଶୁଭୁଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Now you have to execute your compile your second one, that is for your client end, okay. So you have to gcc, so gcc then -o, okay. So let us that is for your client end, suppose client dot e. So you have to client dot e, okay. Then your client, that is my c file, okay. Client dot c, okay. So it has also no error, okay, except some warning. Then you have to, that is c client dot e, okay. Now ready for sending. So you can say ready for sending, enter the message to send, okay. So enter the message to send means so now the connection established between your client and server, okay, and your client is ready for sending, okay, ready for sending. And now you have to enter the message to send, okay, enter the message to send. So if you go to your server terminal, so it is start listening, okay, and it already accepted the connection between your server and client, okay. So now you can enter at the client end. So now you have to enter the input what you have to enter. Okay, suppose IPR. Okay, section A. Okay, CAC. Okay, so that is the input from your client end. Okay, so if you what is the output from your server end? Okay, so as it is a echo type program, so whatever may be the input from the client end, the exactly same message. Okay, it's also replied back by the server. Okay, so if you check, that is the server echo, the exact same message, that is your ITR section A CAC, right? So in this case, first you have to, in your Linux platform, first you have to open two terminals, one for your um, client end and another one for your server end. Okay, and you have to link your C code, okay, with your client as well as your client terminal as well as your server terminal. Then simply execute. Okay, simply execute. So first you have to execute your server part. Okay, server terminal. Then you have to execute your client terminal. Okay, right? So once the execute both the code, okay, so at the both the terminal, one for your server end and another for your client end. Okay, so the connection is established. Okay, and once you enter your input at the client end, the exactly the same message, okay, is reflected back by the or say reply back by the server, and you can check what is your original signal you have already sent to your server. Okay, right? So this is very simple. So I have already sent the code, okay, to you through your group mail. You can check one for your code for your server end and another for your client end. Okay, so simply open two new terminals in your Linux platform, that is one for your client and for your server. And now you can execute the file, okay, and so that you can give the input and you can show the output. Okay, so now all of you directly implement, copy this code, okay, into C files, okay, and simply implement it and show the output. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can share your screen, okay, so that we can help you. Okay, so let us start. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, otherwise directly you start. No problem. I think you are much familiar with this Linux platform, so no problem. I think you will not face any problem. Okay, so you can, the code is already with you, so you can implement from next class onwards. Okay, so that depends upon you whether you are able to writing the code or not. Okay, let us start. So simply start in your system, okay. And if you have any doubt, you can share your screen so that we can help you, okay. So to clear about your doubts and so that you can implement the first experiment, that is your echo using your TCP/IP. Whether it is audible or not to you. Okay, let us start. So if you look at this code, the code is available. So hardly it will take 10 to 15 minutes to implement all the things because the code is already available with you. Okay, so to familiar with the system, okay, so you can implement the same one and show the output. ନା ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧାଞ୍ଜଳି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଆଉ କିଛି କହିବାର ଅଛି କି ତାଙ୍କୁ?
ନା ସାର୍, ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍, ଆପଣ ସବୁ କହି ସାରିଲେଣି, ଆଉ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ସାର୍।
ସେ କରନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍,
ହଁ, ଠିକ
15 ସାର୍ 15 ମିନିଟ୍ସ କି 20 ମିନିଟ୍ସ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ତାପରେ ସେୟାର କରିବେ ସେମାନେ।
ଓକେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
So it is 8:40. Okay, so at 8:50 or 55, okay, you can start sharing your screen. So if you are able to implement all the things so that we can record. So once you show the output, okay, so I'll record it in your name, whether you have implemented all this code or not. Okay. Okay, all of you, please respond your roll call. Abhijit Raut,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Abhijit Raut, present.
Present, sir.
Okay. Wait. You have to just wait 5 minutes. Okay, respond your roll call. Ankit Das. Ankit
Present,
Das.
sir. Sir,
Okay.
present, sir.
Okay. Simon Pradhan. Absent. Parthasarathi Malik.
Present, sir.
Tanyaja. Tanyaja. Absent.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Asutosh Mishra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nikhil Kumar.
Present, sir.
Rahul
Sir,
Senapati.
Asutosh Mishra present.
Okay. So Rahul Senapati.
Yes, sir. Present.
Ayushman Roy.
Present, sir.
Chandrakant Gupta.
Present, sir.
Atish Raj. Absent. Jyotish Naik.
Present, sir. Jyotish Naik, present, sir.
Okay. Pratyush Patel.
Present, sir.
Anup Kumar Mukherjee. Absent. Hariom Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Sandeep Mishra.
Present, sir.
Trivikram Patnaik. Trivikram.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Present. Smriti Ranjan Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Rajiv Dubey.
Present, sir.
So now continue. Those who have already responded to the roll call, so continue with your code. Sikrit Modak.
Present, sir.
Sambit Kumar Sahu.
Present, sir.
Krishna Murari Sharma.
Present, sir.
Rehan Ahmad Khan. Absent. Divya Prakash Naik. Okay. Present. Kakan Chatraj.
Present, sir.
Asutosh Sinha.
Sir, Kakun present.
Present. Asutosh Sinha. Absent. Devajyoti Das.
Present, sir.
Shikhar Swarup.
Yes, sir.
Soumya Mahapatra.
Present, sir.
Shirshak Samantray.
Present, sir.
Ananya Lenka.
Present, sir.
Shruti Namra Mahapatra.
Present, sir.
Khushi.
Present, sir.
Niyaranjan Palai.
Present, sir.
Siblu Das. Absent. Nikita Rosalind Sahu.
Present, sir.
Krishna Samal.
Present, sir.
Abhishekar.
Present, sir.
Qaib Mohammadi. Absent. Anjali Gaurav.
Present, sir.
Priyabrata Das.
Present, sir.
Divya Darshan.
Present, sir.
Alisha Patnaik. Absent. Aditya.
Present, sir.
Diksha
Present,
Kumari.
sir. Present, sir.
Diksha Kumari.
Present, sir.
Amrit Kaur.
Present, sir.
Rajesh Kumar Padi. Okay. Satyanarayan Singh. Absent. Prajwal Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Rupam
sir.
Kumar Meher. Yes. Rupam Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now continue with the code. Okay. So by 9, you have to show the output. So once you complete, okay, simply share your screen. Okay.
Anyone who has completed the first objective? Prajwal? Sirkiti? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed na?
I'm doing.
Doing, ma'am.
Do it fast. It is
Yes,
9
ma'am.
o'clock. So you have to share your screen na? Or sir will recorded those students who have completed.
ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ନୂଆ କିଣିକି ରେଟିଂ ଦଉଛି।
Hello, program is with you. You just copy paste that program in 2 folders. Means 2 files. Normally it will take some 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Krishna? Krishna, can you hear me? Krishna?
Log into the system and remain
सर
absent.
ସେମାନେ ହଁ ସିଷ୍ଟମ କୁ ଲଗଇନ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ତାର କୁଆଡେ ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି। ସାର୍ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଅଛି, ସେମାନେ ଚାହିଁଲେ କପି ପେଷ୍ଟ କରିକି ଅଳ୍ପ ସମୟରେ ବି ହେଇପାରିବ।
ହଁ
ସେ ତ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ସାର୍ ସେମାନେ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ନିଜେ ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନା।
ହଁ,
कॉपी पेस्ट कले भी एरर भी कम आसीबो ना
हाँ मैडम तापरे प्रोग्राम टा फास्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव न कले पुनी सेकंड ऑब्जेक्टिव जीवे केते बेले जीवे एटे 9टा बाजी गला 39 स्टूडेंट्स अछंदी दी वन बाय वन शो करिए सर टाइम होबनी राहुल
If you have any doubt, you may ask. Okay, so if you remain silent like this, okay, so you are unable to complete 1 to 2 experiment in your whole semester.
आयुष्मान अंकित
Section 3 रे मैडम से दिन 25 टा पिला देखेले कोन करछन
सर एटु किछि देखो ना एटलीस्ट तुम पाखरे प्रोग्राम अछि तो कॉपी पेस्ट करो ताको शो करो नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑनवर्ड्स तमे जतले प्रोग्राम लिखिबो दैट वन इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट अभिजीत अभिजीत
Yes, ma'am.
कंप्लीटेड
Ma'am, error होती है कि माउथ रिकॉर्ड किया
if you facing any error then you can share your screen
I'm actually attending from phone and doing on laptop. So.
then you can share
Okay, I'm trying.
अंजलि खुशी हॉटस्पॉट डाउन कर
So whenever you will maintain your record, so you have to write your code as well as you have to take the screenshot of your output and you have to include in your experiment. Okay, in each experiment you have to include both the code as well as the screenshot of your output, and you have to keep in the soft copy format. Okay, so at the end we'll discuss whether you have to submit this if the college will reopen. So you have to submit your hard copy, otherwise you have to submit your soft copy. So and each lab class, okay, so if the lab consists of suppose 7 to 10 experiment, so for each lab class, if you show the output, okay, you will include some mark, okay, for it. We'll award some mark for it. Okay, so now decide whether you show interest to perform all the experiment or not. So no problem, as this is your first experiment, so take your own time and check how to show the output. Okay, but in next class, definitely I will call one by one, and you have to share your screenshot of your first. This is the first part of your first experiment. So the first experiment consists of 3 bits. Okay, so this is the first bit. Okay, so the code for first bit is already available with you, and for second and third bit, simply you have to modify the same code and you have to show the output. Madam, ସେମାନେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ନିଅନ୍ତୁ, ତାଙ୍କ ଟାଇମରେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍, ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ, ତାଙ୍କର ସେ ଇଏ କରିବେ, ଶିଖିବେ। ଆମେ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଆଉଟପୁଟ ଟାକୁ ଦେଖିବା। ଯିଏ ନ ଦେଖିବ ଆକର୍ଡିଂଲି ୱିଲ୍
ମାର୍କିଂ ହବ।
ହଁ।
ସାର୍ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ 1 by 1 କ୍ୟାମେରା ଅନ୍ କରିକି କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇକି ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡାନ୍ସ ନେଇକି ମାର୍କିଂ କରିଦବ।
ହଁ ହଁ। ଆଉ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ଛାଡି ଦଉଛି, ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ତମକୁ 1 by 1 ଡାକିବି ଯୋଉ ଆର୍ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଟୁଡେ।
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I don't have the laptop with me right now. Sir, by next week, I'm trying to arrange for a laptop actually.
Okay. No, I noted down your name, Kakon Chatraj. So no problem.
Yes,
I will
sir.
show you the next one. Simply share what is your problem actually. Okay, so that
Yes,
we
sir.
can
Actually,
know
I
whether
left
this
my
laptop.
laptop in hostel, sir. Actually.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I actually
Same,
left
sir. I
my
also left
laptop in
mine.
hostel.
How many you have no laptop? You just chat in your chat box. Right in
Ma'am, I don't have.
how
Ma'am,
many
I
of
don't
Fifth class.
Yes, sir.
So otherwise, I have to just told na there is one online
Right.
platform that is your Kokal. Okay, right.
Sir.
Meet
Yes.
kar how jane right.
Ma'am, me too. Ma'am, I am traveling today actually. That's why I cannot show you the code. I can also share the video, ma'am.
So, this is your class timing or the traveling time? Okay.
Traveling.
Sir, I have to go to hospital from Bhubaneswar to Bhubaneswar. That's why I was
that
going.
means okay. That means simply you are absent today, Ashutosh Mishra.
No, sir, I am listening
Right.
everything, but I am listening everything, but I cannot show the screen, and I will show you in the next class.
So if you are not able to show your any computer or
I will
screen,
show
okay, so
I will show the in the next class, sir.
that means simply you are absent today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, laptop ନାହିଁ।
ଏଇ ଜଣ ଏଇମାନଙ୍କର ନାହିଁ ଯୋଉ ଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ ଅମୃତ କୌର, କାକନ ଛୋଟରାଜ। Okay, so if you ask like this, so every student will say I do not
Sir,
have
ମୋର ବି
laptop.
ନାହିଁ, sir. କହିଥିଲି, sir.
Ankit.
Sir, I have my laptop, but it's not working today.
Sir, ଆମେ sir hostel ରେ ଛାଡି ଦେଇଛୁ, sir. Hostel ରୁ ଆଣିନୁ, sir. Hostel ରେ ସବୁ ଅଛି।
अच्छा हॉस्टल में छूट गया लैपटॉप वो जब आ गए थे तब।
For this experiment, simply you do not have this Linux platform. Simply you can take the help of this online. Okay, online platform that is your
Sir.
Kokal. Okay, right.
Sir,
I
Okay.
have did that
Uh,
only. I have used Focal.com. Right now I'm using that,
I,
but it is not taking the input. It is not taking.
input means?
Input means, sir, that tab which occurs in our mobile phone for messaging anyone,
Hmm.
that is not that what software. Focal.com is
So,
not taking that.
so you are using your laptop or you are
No,
using
sir,
your
in mobile
mobile?
phone only. In mobile phone or phone only
So
with the phone, but it is not accepting it.
I have no idea whether it is working in your mobile or not because you have to
ନାଇଁ
it
ସାର୍
should
ସାର୍
hmm?
ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା
Yes,
ମୋବାଇଲରେ
Huh?
କାମ କରିବନି ମୋବାଇଲରେ
sir,
ସାର୍ କାମ
କରିବନି ନା?
କରିବନି
ହଁ.
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍
Because you have
କାହିଁକିନା
to
କାଲି ଗୋଟେ
save your
ପିଲା
file
ରନ୍
in C.
କରୁଥିଲା ହଁ ଏଟା ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
Uh-huh.
ହଉଥିଲା
Because you have to save the file in C format, na, right? So I think it will not work in your mobile, okay, right? So you can take the help of your any younger brother or elder brother, sister, laptop or system, so that it can. I think in that system you
Sir, I
can work.
did that
Okay.
only for past classes, but he took back. For some
Okay.
days
So
he has
do not
given me
worry.
an
So in next class you can show the output. No problem. Do not worry. So we are not rigid that you have to show the output in today's class. Those who have no laptop or mobile with them, PC with them. So out of 60 students, okay, so only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students have some sort of problem. Okay, what are the rest? Okay. Yeah.
Sir,
Hello.
sir,
Hmm.
sir, my
Yes.
laptop is not working today. It will be
Okay,
fine.
okay. So okay, then next class you'll show the output. Do not worry. Okay, about it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so
Hello, sir.
you try
Hello.
this code in your free time and show the
Hello.
class. No problem. Jyotish.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
Jyotish.
I have copied the code and compiled that. I can share my screen. So
Uh,
after that, what to do, sir? I have to do it in
hmm.
two terminals or in a single terminal?
two terminal
First you.
Sure, ma'am. Should I share my screen? You just guide me.
yes you can share your screen
Yes.
Jyotish.
Is my screen visible, ma'am?
yes go to your programs server and client Jyotish Jyotish
go to your
first madam ଟିକେ clear
Yes,
କରିଦଉ
ma'am.
ସବୁଗୁଡା
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
first clear all the previous messages
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
first clear two terminals then you freshly run it then you can
Ma'am, this one are the codes of client and server.
okay
Yes, ma'am. I was just already, if want, I can compare it. Ma'am, how to do it in two terminals? What the code for that?
you are using ubuntu na
Ubuntu, yes, ma'am.
then for two terminals control alt t
Control Alt T.
uh,
Okay.
then
Like this
you
one?
have to run the server okay this keep
Okay.
keep your server one and client one side by side okay
ma'am. Just. Ma'am,
so
means
it
I
will
have
be
to
easy
compile. Ma'am, I have to compile it in two terminals, like one in
server
single.
another one client
Okay.
so first run the server one then the client one and keep your server terminal and client terminal side by side so it will easy for communicate both between server and client Then go to your client. हाँ. Type a message.
Ma'am, type a message in the client, right?
हाँ, client side. हाँ. Type there any messages. This is Jyotish Naik. हाँ. Then enter. Now it will server echo. In your server side, it is also showing. This is Jyotish Naik. It is done. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Should I stop my screen sharing?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Jyotish, very good. Then anyone next? Anyone who wants to share? Pratyush, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
You,
But
you can say.
client
Okay.
server, my error, fatal error is showing.
Fatal error is showing.
Yes, ma'am.
So share your screen.
Okay, share करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratyush.
Yes, ma'am.
First clear all the previous messages. Okay. First clear two terminals. Freshly you have to run it again. Then dot slash server dot e. A dot out. Okay. Okay. Enter.
And client server.
No, Pratyush, keep your two terminals side by side. दोनों टर्मिनल को साइड बाय साइड रखो. तुम्हें भी इजी होगा, हम लोगों को भी इजी हो देखने के लिए कि कैसे कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं सर्वर और क्लाइंट. दोनों को साइड बाय साइड रखो. न्यू टर्मिनल ओपन करो और एक न्यू टर्मिनल ओपन करो.
Yes. Here you type the command GCC.
हाँ.
Okay.
No such
Okay.
file.
Your file name is same.
Yes, ma'am.
Check your file name. This is GCC.
Sorry, key is missing.
So the file name is incorrect. That's why it is showing no such file or directory. Okay. So you have to write it again.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay. Then you have to run it. Then enter a message. Type a message. Now it is showing.
Thank you.
Done. Okay. Very good. Then anyone next? Who wants to share? Only Jyotish and Pratyush. Who wants to share? Respond in the chat box. Who has completed?
Those who have completed, simply type your name in the chat box and then share your screen.
Hello. If you are facing any problem, then you can share. Like Jyotish and Pratyush. Just log in, then sleeping. Nothing else. Sir, କିଛି ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡ ହିଁ ମିଳୁନି ସେମାନଙ୍କଠୁ.
ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ଆମେ କିଛି କରିପାରିବା କିଛି ନାହିଁ.
Sir, ନାଇଁ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ତ
ଯୋଉମାନେ ଶୋ କରିବେ ଆଉଟପୁଟ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ରେକର୍ଡ କରିବି ତମ ଭଲ ମାର୍କ ଦେବି ଆଉ ବାକି ସବୁ ଇଏ କରିବି ଆଉ କଣ. ସୋ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଏନି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ସେୟାର. ଯେମିତି ପିଲା କିଛି କହିଲେ ସାର୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ନାହିଁ ଆର୍ଥର ଆଣିଲେ ୱି କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଶୋ ଦ ଆଉଟପୁଟ ଇନ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ବିକଜ ୱି ଡୁ ନଟ୍ ହାଭ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ରାଇଟ୍ ନାଉ. If somebody traveling and say that sir I was present in the road, okay, so I'll show the in the next
in
class.
lab means you have to do something.
So if you have any problem,
Ma'am, should I
so you can share the output. Yes.
Nikita,
Yes.
Nikita, you can share.
Nikita Rojalin Sahu. Yes, you share your screen. You are very much acquainted about this, how to run the C code or everything. So the code is to you. So hardly it will take 10 to 15 minutes. Hardly. So far as your new code is concerned, so you may face difficulties or it may take some time. The code is to you. Simply you have to run with 2 terminals. So what is the problem with it? So you
Code
will
is with
compare
you. Sir, code तांका पाखरे भी अच्छी. No कि तुमको write करियाको पड़े.
You are very much experienced as compared to us. So far as your computer science students are concerned, they are very much experienced in writing the code and everything as compared to us.
Nikita first clear all the things.
That's ଅଛି ସର୍ଭର ଟର୍ମିନାଲ।
हाँ किंतु मैडम से आगे सब क्लियर कर दो।
हाँ क्लियर हो।
After this Diksha, be prepared. First run the server 1, Nikita. First run the server 1. Always remember one thing, you have to run the server 1 first, then go for the client one.
Yes, ma'am, this was the server part.
हाँ, first run this. Then go to your server side. That's why I am telling first run the server 1. It is only
First
start
clear.
listening. Okay, in Nikita,
Yes, ma'am.
you freshly run the first the server 1, then run the client 1. Okay, first clear.
Okay, ma'am.
It is working, but what madam told, simply follow this. Okay.
हाँ सर सी कौन करची क्लाइंट रन कर देला तापर सर्वर को
हाँ।
आसीला सेतबे एरर देखेला Nikita, you have done the same mistake.
No, ma'am, first I have run the server part.
Server part?
না এটা ঠিক করলা ঠিক করছে এটা it is
Again,
okay.
yes. Okay, हाँ it is showing Nikita. Nikita, very good. Stop sharing. Diksha Kumari, you can share your screen. Diksha, you are getting same message na in both side, so you have to share your screen. Otherwise, how can we clear your error? Diksha, can you hear me? Diksha Kumari, are you there? Not responding.
ଦୀକ୍ଷା
ସେ ଲେଖିଥିଲା chat box ରେ କିନ୍ତୁ respond କରୁନି sir ଏବେ.
ସେ ବୋଧେ ମାଇକ୍ ଅଫ୍ କରିଥିବ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir. Anyone who wants to share?
ନିରଞ୍ଜନ ପଲେଇ ନାକି ନିରଞ୍ଜନ share your screen so that madam will rectify what is the problem.
It is showing. But server side is nothing. Okay. Okay, you first clear the terminals. Then freshly you type the sorry, you should run the server one. First the server one, then the client one. In client side, first clear. First run करो server को.
Always server. First on the server.
Then the client. Always remember one thing.
Then go to client side.
Type a message. Rahul, okay, very good. Just wait. After this, you can say.
Okay, yes, good.
Good, but it is not showing in your server side. The server side तर show करूनी
Okay.
message.
So the first setup run करनी ना.
Again, नहीं मैडम सर्वर
Again.
साइड रे तक आउ तार कोन दो टाइप करिवो ए जो ये जीसीसी नॉनलाइन डॉट ए आउट
अच्छा.
स्टार टाइप करो हां
हाँ. Again clear the terminals and run it again.
I are going to clear all the terminals. Server.
No, it is not showing. Go to your programs. Nihar, go to your program. I'll check. Go to client program. हाँ ठीक अच्छी मैडम ठीक अच्छी client program
ठीक अच्छी ताको कौन तो नले टर्मिनल क्लोज कर दो हेलो
ठीक है मैडम client side नहीं ठीक है client side चेक
नहीं क्लाइंट साइड पे भी ठीक अच्छी नले इको है मत ना मैडम close all the terminals तमेरा ये तमे कंप्यूटर तमरा फॉर्मेटिंग करछो निहार
No, ma'am.
formatted or update your ubuntu
It is already updated, ma'am.
No, actually format your because lots of students have this problem due to they are not formatting or not updated. Okay, Ubuntu. So that's why I'm
Sometimes it
saying
happens.
this.
No, no, sometimes it happens.
uh,
Some students are facing
okay,
same problem due
okay.
to formatting issue.
Then what to do, ma'am?
Then just you close your terminal, then open a new terminal, then just run execute it. Then what I can do?
Same problem.
Ma'am, same problem.
Also, you have to update that one, otherwise it is showing same thing.
Okay, ma'am, I will try.
Okay.
You try. Okay.
Uh.
It is working, but it is not showing what is the input from the terminal input client side. Okay. So how will know what is the input actually, or what is the message from the client end? Okay. So that is the problem.
Okay, stop sharing, Neha. Then Rahul.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, my code is completed.
Shruti? Shruti? Or anyone other?
Rahul Senapati.
Yes, ma'am, Shruti.
You can say Rahul Senapati sir share code.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
After Rahul you can say. Shruti, just wait. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Rahul, go to your terminal and run it again. First clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Rahul.
Nihar. Hey, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul, fast
Sada
run the server one.
Sada madam.
Again.
ନିହାର କୁ କହିଲେ କୋକାଲସି ରେ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରନ୍ତା।
अच्छा हाँ से कहूनांती शुणुथुव बोधे।
Okay, ma'am, I will try.
हाँ निहार, you will try. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Is it? It is okay, but The client side?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
In both side it is showing start listening.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Programming is wrong. Something
There
wrong
is
is
some
there.
error. There is some error in your programs.
Okay, ma'am.
You check your program, otherwise you
Huh.
share what
Okay,
is
ma'am. Okay,
your
ma'am.
code set, you will
You
check.
have you have the program, na? So you can check.
मत लाଗୁଛି ସେ both side को client server कर ଦେଇଛି.
हाँ सेया कर देइछि बोधे. Then Shruti,
Yes, ma'am.
you can share.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, who is speaking?
Ma'am, Diksha.
Okay.
Shruti.
Ma'am, now my
No.
output has come.
Okay,
Earlier it was
after Shruti, you can share.
okay.
Okay, Diksha? Just wait. Shruti, are you sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shruti?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, something is happening. Can't share.
Why?
Ma'am, don't know.
Don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can switch on your camera. So what's the result? Otherwise by phone.
Ma'am,
Huh.
I'm logged in from the laptop, so how can I switch on my camera?
Okay, you switch on your
Ma'am,
mobile phone. So what's...
ma'am, shall I send you my picture, like the code's picture?
Huh. Here you can show us by phone.
Ma'am,
Front camera, बैक कैमरा ऑन करके कर सकते हो ना.
Okay, ma'am.
Diksha Kumari, show the output.
हाँ, दीक्षा कुमारी. दीक्षा कुमारी.
Diksha Kumari.
Not responding.
Yes, ma'am.
Show the output.
So can I show from my phone camera because it is not sharing?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, no issue.
Ma'am, it worked in CoCalc.
Nihar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Source?
Okay, ma'am.
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମାନେ ଯାହା ହେଲେ ବି ଉବୁଣ୍ଟୁ ରେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଅପଡେଟ୍ ନଥିବ।
ସେଇ ଅପଡେଟ୍ ନ ହଉ ତ କାଲି ବି ବହୁତ ପିଲା ସେମ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଲା। ଓକେ ନିହାର ଦୀକ୍ଷା ନା?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
ହଁ source.
Ma'am, earlier I got the output like this. This is my server file.
But acha. See, this is Dikya. Huh. Then you know server side? It is showing or not? Dikya?
Ma'am, in first one it has.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
In your server side, it is showing or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Source?
Ma'am, just a second.
Okay. Rahul, you just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is my server side.
हाँ. Then again run करो client को. Type a message. It is showing in your server side.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Very good, Diksha. Stop sharing. Okay, Rahul, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can say.
Yes.
Rahul, it is showing client side echo. Then you go to your server side. Only start listening. Okay. Do one thing. First clear the terminals, then again run it.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Rahul, first run the server one.
Ma'am, after running, it is showing start listening only.
Okay. Go to your client.
Yes, ma'am.
Type a message. It is showing in your server side. Go to check your server side. It is accepted or not? No. Error is not there. So, okay, Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
फर्स्ट क्लियर करो, सबको क्लियर करो, टर्मिनल सर्वर का भी क्लाइंट का भी क्लियर करो, तो पूरा क्लियर कर दो दोनों को, फिर फ्रेशली तुम रन करो, तो अगेन क्लियर करो. हाँ, अभी रन करो, सर्वर को रन करो पहले. सर्वर को रन करने के बाद क्लाइंट को रन करना.
मैडम
आज्ञा.
मैडम ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ୱାର୍ନିଂ ଆସୁଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଦେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ ଯୋଉ ଦିଟା
ହେଡର
ଯୋଉ
ଫାଇଲ
ହେଡର
ମେନସନ
ଫାଇଲ
କରିଦେବେ।
ହଁ ହଁ ୟୁନି
ହଁ
ଏଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଆଉ ଆର୍ପା
ଆଲଫା ଡଟ୍ देखिए एटा रन करी देखी दो। हाँ गो टू क्लाइंट साइड।
Then dot slash type a message. Then go to your server side, check it will show you accepted. No, nothing.
Ma'am, he is getting the same output as Nihar does.
Mine is working.
Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Error
but
is
I
not.
got
Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
in your go to programming part and in your header file, you just write first. You
Okay, ma'am.
write include as include uni std uni std dot h. Another one include ଏଠି error ସବୁ କଣ ଦେଖଉଛି ସବୁ
Error ତାର ନାହିଁ
red
warning ଅଛି madam.
ହଁ warning ଯେ ଯୋଉ red ର କଣ ସବୁ ଦେଖଉଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା ARPA ARPA slash inet dot h. Save it, then both side you type this two header file.
All are getting warnings. That's why you have to add these two files, these two header files in your server side and the client side.
मैडम एटा बर्तमान 9:55 ହେଲା ବୁଝିଲେ କି
आगे sir.
ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କୁଇଜ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ବି ଦେବାର ଅଛି ସେମାନେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଏଟା ଘରେ ସେମାନେ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବେ ଦେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ସେୟାର ଇନ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଓକେ
ହଁ sir
ठीक ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
okay
ହଁ
sir
sir
ଆମେ
ଦେଇ
leave you.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
so once you complete all the things so share all the thing in your next class no problem so
ସାର୍
all
ଆଉ
of you
ଗୋଟେ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ସାର୍
ହଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଆମ ଆପଣ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରୁପ ତ କରିଥିବେ
ହଁ କରିଛି
ହଁ ସାର୍ ଆମକୁ ଆଡ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଡ୍ କରିଦେବେ ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ତ ଯାହାର ଯୋଉ କୋଡ୍ ବି ସେଥିରେ ବି ଏରର ଯୋଉଗୁଡା ଥିବ କି କଣ ସେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେଲେ ଆମେ ବି ଦେଖିଦବୁ ଯଦି ସର୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍ କରିକି ପଠେଇ ଦେଇପାରିବୁ
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି so all of you go to your chat box okay so appear the quiz test okay so in next class I will share all the thing
ସାର୍ ଆମେ ଲିଭ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛୁ
हाँ ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ thank you madam ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ठीक ଅଛି thank you sir.
thank you so all of you go to your chat box okay and simply appear the quiz test So once you complete it, you may Okay, you can leave now. Those who have completed the quiz, they can leave.